if it can go in mines, this is incredibly cool. See how highlighted you. Alright guys, what's up? It's Galaxy Axolotl here. I'm with Amazing Axolotl. Subscribe to him. Anyways, it's featured in my YouTube channel. So, anyways, we're gonna be showing you my Goop invention, and throughout all of the video, I'm going to be showing you all what it does, and we're gonna be testing it and going through different maps, trying to defeat some monsters. So, first off, before we get into the video. You guys, most of you guys are not subscribed, so if you guys ever, and anyways, just subscribe because it helps a lot. I mean, if you want to, just do it. It's just like right there. It's right there. Just hit it, and like it's just like somewhere in my YouTube channel. It's so easy. Just click it. It's really no big deal. Anyways, back to the video. This is what it looks like. And don't give me jealousies things. Don't it's expensive, okay? It's expensive to even spawn. So first off, you probably wondering how it's moving right now if it's an airplane. Well, if you would flip to the back, you can see these little things. Now, don't look at these, look at the things. These are skiing things. These are what you use to go skiing with. It's got a ski pool. Hey, don't touch. No, okay. Give it back. Anyways, so once you and then it makes you go fast, and then it makes me go bumpity. So it's kind of like a off-brand pogo stick. And anyways, now you can look at the fans. The fans are what it makes it go up with. See, they're moving. It forces it to go up. So were you wondering why I added these? Can we not test right now? Anyways, these are what makes it easier for it to turn with. See how I'm easily turning? Well, these make it push forward, so you can push it up and forward, and it makes it steer really good. So, anyways, back to the video. That was just for a test. I'm stuck. Anyways, no, I'm stuck. Anyways, this is storage. So I can grab. I'm gonna have to go to a different spot. Alright. No. Yes. It's kind of difficult to move this thing.
Also, show them this invention.
In a minute. Anyways. It just take it. Well, you can't really pick it anymore. But once you activate it, there's gonna be some cream members on here. You can probably hop on. Like, not right now. You remember what happened? It blew it, and it just like it went all the way up. So no, don't do it. Don't do that. Alright. Anyways, these are lights, which makes me see clearly in the night. And these are shields for protection in case like the RPG from my friends over here or in a public server. These are for protection. And these are those little metal rods on the helicopter. Well, any plane of helicopter. And then they're made out of crowbars. So nice.
Yeah, let's test it to protect you.
And now we're gonna cut to the part where we do some testing to do. Alright, anyways.
Okay,
the first test is to be if you can dodge some rocket launchers. No, not gun. Rocket launcher. No, why did you kill me? Why did you actually do that? No, don't grab the invention. No, I'm not healing you. Actually, come here, come here. Come here, come here.
My backpack exploded me.
Yeah, that's 5 weeks of stash, buddy. That's 5
Now
weeks
you're
of
putting me in
stash.
stats.
Yeah, that's 5 weeks of
No.
stash, buddy.
No.
No. Alright.
Whoa.
Anyway, no, don't rage bait at this video. No, don't, give it back. Give it back.
Okay.
Give it back. Give it
It
back.
looks like a car.
I know it. It's like it's a flying car. Oh. Yeah. I still kind of need.
Here's
to
the
get used
final
to
test.
All right, guys. No, not yet. I need to get a comfortable position. Hold on. No. Let's say
Also,
real name
teammates
if we
can't
don't get
jump
this.
onto you. Also, you know how you said teammates can jump onto it?
Yeah. Ooh, let's
Here,
test
they
that.
can't.
Hold on.
They can't.
Wait, hold on, stop. I demand. What did I say? Stop. Okay, alright, it's testing. And I survived.
Say something, that doesn't count.
No, I was in a safe zone, I was flying towards you.
Nope. We're
Yep,
doing
it
two
does
more.
count. Alright, the next test is, the next test is, the next test is if a partner can get on it. Can you like get on it?
No, you cannot get on it.
Just try. Can you?
Nope.
You can't. Partners can get on it. But I already know. Alright, now the next test is
Okay, next test is seeing if I can shoot through the shield.
Okay, so
No, out of safe zone.
oh yeah. I mean kind of new. And that is myth confirmed. You can shoot through the shields. And next test is yes, he's red watch. Dude, can I have it back? Alright, anyways. Next test is can we go defeat the ogre with it? Probably not. I don't have. Actually, wait, can you give me an RPG?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Can you give me an RPG?
No. I'm gonna have to teach you how to use one of these.
I know what to do. I know what to do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I
You can't
do.
dispatch the trigger. You can't dispatch the trigger.
What do you have to do?
So you have to press B on your controller and shoot.
Alright, now can I have one? Oh, let's go defeat ogre. Holy, I cannot. I'm gonna go defeat ogre.
I'll come.
I don't think you can. There's like grapple or something. Will it fit? Hold on.
There's a tree.
I made it through. Where's Mr. Ogre? Where is he? Where is Mr. Ogre?
Found him.
Where is he? Oh, see you highlighted. We kill him? Did we kill him? I think we killed him. Okay, myth confirmed. You can actually kill the ogre, the OP weapon. Alright, let's get back. test is can it go, yes, it could probably defeat Kevin. But can it go in mines? Let's see if it can go in mines. Oh wait, hold on. And yes, it can go in mines. It can go in mines. This is incredibly cool. This would actually be a great mining thing. This is cool. I just don't know what to do with the monsters in here because I have no weapon. Oh, yep, Adam's in here. I need to go. I like to call him Adam.
I think I might get off.
Alright. I think this is the way. Oh yeah, I think it is. Hold on. No, get. Hold on. Oh wait, it's making it. Alright, we're gonna do one more test. One more test sounds
Guys,
good? Does one
I'm
more
gonna
test
name
sound-
reveal. Guys, I'm gonna make this YouTuber name reveal.
No. I just
Galaxy Axolotl's name is Galaxy Axolotl.
Wow. No, that's not my real life name. But anyway.
Let's see if you can survive the lasers.
Ooh, you can
Huh?
survive the lasers. Myth tested. Alright, I think we're gonna be done for today. My headset's pretty low. And yeah. And if you enjoyed this video and see more tests
Like
what
and
we can do
subscribe.
to this, yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Cause yeah, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video and see if we can do the more tests with my starter airplane, then we can then just comment down below what test we can do next. We can the more comments answered, the more comments questions asked, the more we will answer. So comment down what you think, what we can test about it, and I will do that in the next video. And he already gonna test it out, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye.